Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
How does deed theft occur, and how can it be prevented? A step-by-step legal guide. Deed theft, also known as title fraud, is one of the most devastating real estate crimes in New York State. Victims often discover too late that their property has been fraudulently transferred, mortgaged, or sold without their knowledge. Seniors, the deceased, and homeowners in gentrifying neighborhoods are frequent targets. At Figeroux Associates, we help clients identify, fight, and prevent deed theft. This article breaks down how these scams happen, the legal steps involved in responding to them, and the best methods to protect your property rights in New York State. Step 1. What is deed theft? Deed theft occurs when a fraudster illegally transfers ownership of someone else's property, typically by forging signatures, impersonating the rightful owner, or exploiting legal loopholes. The scam may involve fake documents filed with the county clerk, forged power of attorney forms, unsuspecting notaries, or identity theft, fraudulent sales to third parties. The thief can then take out loans, resell the property, or evict tenants, all while the real owner may be unaware. Step 2. Who is targeted? Deed thieves often target elderly homeowners, people who have inherited property, owners in foreclosure or facing tax liens, individuals who live out of state or are temporarily absent, heirs of deceased property owners, immigrants or those unfamiliar with real estate law. Brooklyn, Queens, and the Bronx have seen significant rises in deed theft, especially in areas undergoing rapid redevelopment. Step 3. How deed theft happens. Common tactics include 1. Forgery. Fraudsters forge the homeowner's signature on a deed transfer form or power of attorney, notarize it, and record it with the county. 2nd, impersonation. A thief pretends to be the owner using fake ID, files paperwork, and assumes control. 3rd, abuse of power of attorney. In some cases, a trusted family member or caregiver misuses their legal authority to transfer the deed. 4th, predatory scams. Some owners are tricked into signing documents they don't understand, thinking they are signing up for loan help, only to discover they signed over their deed. Step 4. Warning signs of deed theft. Be alert if you notice suspicious mail or bills addressed to someone else, notices of foreclosure or eviction you weren't expecting, utilities shut off or changed without consent, property tax records listing a new owner, your name no longer appearing on the title. At Figeroux Associates, we investigate these warning signs and take immediate legal steps to protect your ownership. Step 5. What to do if you suspect deed theft. If you think your deed has been stolen, contact a real estate attorney immediately. Report the fraud to the district attorney's office and Department of Finance. File a complaint of deed fraud with the NYC Register. Consider filing a civil lawsuit to invalidate the fraudulent deed. Notify the title insurance company, if applicable. We represent clients in civil actions, assist with criminal referrals, and coordinate with law enforcement to restore ownership. Step 6. Legal remedies for victims. Victims of deed theft can seek legal remedies such as declaratory judgment to void the fraudulent deed, injunctions to stop further transfers or evictions, restoration of title, damages, and legal fees. However, these cases are complex and require timely legal action to avoid irreversible transfers or third-party purchases. Step 7. Preventing deed theft. Proactive steps. 1. Register for property alerts. NYC property owners can sign up for ACRIS Notify, a free alert system that notifies you when documents are filed against your property. 2. Check property records regularly. Use NYC's Automated City Register Information System, ACRIS, to confirm that your name remains on the deed. 3. Keep contact information current. Make sure your mailing address is updated with the Department of Finance so you receive tax bills and alerts. 4. Secure personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal data, especially Social Security numbers and identification used in real estate deals. Step 8. Special protections for vulnerable homeowners. We recommend seniors create living trusts with secure oversight. Heirs confirm probate documents are recorded properly. Owners use attorney-reviewed power of attorney forms. Immigrant or elderly clients have documents translated and explained. At Figeroux Associates, we also help prepare estate plans that reduce the risk of deed fraud following a death or incapacitation. Step 9. Criminal prosecution versus civil lawsuit. Even if prosecutors pursue criminal charges, the victim must still file a civil lawsuit to recover legal ownership. We assist in gathering evidence, filing complaints in Supreme Court, attending hearings and depositions, negotiating settlements or court orders. Legal action can be emotionally and financially stressful, but it is often the only way to reclaim your home. Step 10. Partner with a trusted real estate law firm. Deed theft is growing more sophisticated and aggressive. Protecting your property requires vigilance, legal experience, and fast action. At Figeroux Associates, we offer deed fraud investigation and litigation, property monitoring services, title reviews and alerts, estate and asset protection planning. If you're buying, inheriting, or holding onto property in NYS, let us help you keep it safe. Conclusion: deed theft isn't just a crime. It's a theft of your legacy, your financial future, and your peace of mind. Fortunately, with legal counsel and early detection, you can fight back and win. At Figeroux Associates, we stand with homeowners against fraud, injustice, and exploitation. If you suspect deed theft or want to prevent it, we're ready to protect what's yours. Protect your home. Protect your future. Schedule a consultation today. 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York, 11242. www.askthelawyer.us 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362.
Imagine waking up to find your home was stolen. On paper, it's happening right here in New York. Deed theft is real, and it can destroy everything you've worked for. At Figeroux Associates, we fight back. If someone forged documents or illegally transferred your property, we take legal action to restore your deed, your rights, and your peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late. Call 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362. Visit askthelawyer.us. Figeroux Associates. We protect property and people.